Hey there, Jesse from EC Auto Repair, here to talk to you about what happens when your car won't start. This particular Subaru, the customer came out, went to start the car, and it just clicked. So immediately, one of the first things we found was we tested the battery at the post. We found that it was at a state of discharge. It didn't have the proper voltage. The other thing that we noticed is once we removed the cables, had an extraordinary amount of corrosion within the cables, so we was able to tighten those up or clean that up and tighten those back up. This battery tested bad though. Whenever we tested it, we also was able to determine that once we jumped the car off and got it running, that the alternator was not charging and therefore had failed too. So there are several different reasons. In order for your car to reliably and consistently start, number one, there can't be any corrosion on the battery cables. Number two, the battery has to be receiving a charge. So in this case, there was actually probably what happened was the alternator actually failed. Uh, the battery ran down, and then the corrosion was a result of just wear and tear that hadn't been addressed yet with poor maintenance. So we'll get this one taken care of. We're going to change the battery. We're going to clean the cables. We're going to replace the alternator. We'll retest, but our surmisings are it's going to start right up.